Hello and welcome. You are listening to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm Lovely. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we talk about vocabulary. How can you learn more words? And how can you remember them? It is a common question. Many people feel this problem. But I have a good, easy method for you. It is a daily method. It is slow, but it is strong. And it works. So, let's begin. First, let me ask you, do you try to learn 10, 20 new words every day? Maybe you write lists. This is a good effort. Good job for trying. But often it is too much. We feel tired, we forget the words. It is not fun. So here is my idea. Let's change the plan. Instead of many words, let's choose just one. One word every day. Only one. This is the first step. Listen and then we will discuss. Your word today is neighbor. A neighbor. Repeat with me. Neighbor. Your neighbor is the person who lives next to you, in the house next door, or in the apartment beside yours. That person is your neighbor. Now, let's discuss. Do you know your neighbors? In your town or city, are neighbors friendly? Think for a moment. Just think. Good. Now we make the word stronger. We use it. We do not just say neighbor. We make a small sentence, a very small sentence. For example, my neighbor is kind, or I see my neighbor, or hello neighbor. You choose. Say one sentence with your new word. Let's try. Say it with me. My neighbor is kind. Excellent! You are learning. Now, here is the most important part. Today and every day, you must listen for your word. Listen in real life, in a song, in a movie, in a conversation. Listen for your word. Did you hear neighbor? Good. When you hear it, you will feel happy. You will remember it. This is the secret. Let's practice with another word. Listen. Our new word is prepare. To prepare. It means to get ready. Repeat. Prepare. Now discuss in your mind. What do you prepare? Maybe you prepare dinner. Maybe you prepare for your English lesson. You prepare for a trip. Think about it. Now make your small sentence. Let's say together, I prepare my breakfast. Very good. So your method is now clear. Step 1, choose one word. Just one word each day. Step 2, learn the meaning. Step 3, make one small sentence. Step 4, listen for that word in the world. This is a slow method, yes, but it is a strong method. The word becomes your friend. You do not feel tired. You feel successful. Every day, one new friend, one new word. Let's listen to our two words again. First, neighbor. My neighbor is kind. Second, prepare. I prepare my breakfast. Can you hear the difference? Good job. So tomorrow, choose your one word. Maybe it is quiet. Maybe it is market. Choose what you like. Follow the steps. Be patient with yourself. You are building something beautiful. You are building your vocabulary, one strong brick at a time. To finish, let's recap. To boost your vocabulary fast, the best way is to go slow. One word a day. Learn it, use it in a sentence, and listen for it. This is your easy daily method. You can do this. I know you can. Thank you for listening today. If this was helpful, please tell a friend or subscribe. It helps our friendly community grow. Remember, every word you learn is a victory. Celebrate your small wins. I am so proud of you for being here and for trying. Keep going. I will be here with you next time. Until then, happy learning. Goodbye.